What's going on, guys? It's your boy NTG back at it again, another video. Today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys yet another flip. Of course, you guys know your favorite. But before we get into that flip, I want to just announce some things. So tomorrow I will be dropping an indicator, pretty much like a tutorial on what EMAs are, how I use them. I'm also gonna do a tutorial on the MACD. So if you guys are interested in that, be on the lookout for that tomorrow. And then on Friday, I'm going to be posting another trading psychology video because I know most of you guys need that. I mean, 50% of you guys are trading and you're making profit. You know what I'm saying? I'm happy for you guys. And then the rest of you guys are trading good. Your analysis are correct. You're doing everything you're doing, but what's holding you back is the mindset. You know, not entering the trade when you're supposed to, and then revenge trading, missing opportunities because you're kind of like hesitant. You're scared of the market going against you. So those are the type of things that we need to crack down on, because I told you guys trading psychology is a real thing. And if you don't have the trading psychology, like, I can give you 100% winning system right now in your hands. I can say, here, look, this trade wins 100% of the time. If your trading psychology is not right, you can still lose that trade. Like, that's the crazy part about it. So you can still mess up the trade, that 100% strategy, if you don't have trading psychology. So, I mean, if that doesn't open your eyes to how important trading psychology is, I don't know what else to tell you guys. So I know you guys need that video, so I'm going to be posting that on Friday so you guys can, get back on track, hammer down on that trading psychology, because you need it, especially with trading gold. Gold is a very volatile market. It's a scary market. It moves quick. The pip counts is higher. You can blow your account within a couple moves. You have to be very precise. It's a lot of pressure. So I'm definitely going to be posting that video. So I'm going to have 2 videos for y'all. Plus this video. Hey, you guys got to give me a like for that, man. You know what I'm saying? I got 3 videos. I probably got 4 videos coming this week, Nah, I'm just playing with y'all. But you know what I'm saying? Just smash that like button for me. You guys already know what to do. If you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe, hit the post notification so you guys can get notified when I upload. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and get straight into the account flip, and let's roll the intro and let's get it. All right, guys, so we're back on the charts here. So I'm gonna be showing you guys pretty much the step-by-step breakdown of how I flipped this account. As you guys can see on the left hand side, you see the account at $99. I got 99 problems, but gold ain't one. Oh, that's a bar right there, man. Come on, guys, you gotta give me a like for that. No, I'm just playing, guys. But seriously, let's go ahead and get into this trade. So you guys already know we gotta start out on the 4-hour. So I was here, you guys know, we had this channel. I erased it because it's not needed anymore, but we had this channel break right here. And I was in that trade last week. Most of you guys were in this trade. So now we're looking for some new setups. So what I did was I marked up this support here. And this is the rebounds that I wanted to get back into this zone. If you guys are wondering what this zone is, this is actually the weekly zone. So let me show you guys real quick. So this is the pattern that gold is making right now, a falling flag. So when we hit this zone of support, that's where I was looking for, because that's when I knew the market was going to start bouncing back up instead of just taking lower. So we're here. So we hit that weekly support, and then the market brought it back up. So this is where I wanted to get into a good sell here. Wanted to wait for the market to get up there. So I marked up that zone there, and then I went ahead and went to the 15-minute. All right. It wasn't really nothing here. So I went down to the 5-minute, and some of you guys actually sent me pictures of this trend line. Most of you guys were like, hey, NGG, like, can I get into this trade? Blah, blah, blah. You can do this. This is a setup, but I normally don't like, I don't know, I'm kind of sideways about my trend lines almost being so vertical, So, but I mean, it works. You know, sometimes trend lines don't have to be perfect. Sometimes it's like trend lines will make the most awkward trend line, and those are the ones that work. And then the ones that are perfectly aligned are the ones that don't work. So, you know what I'm saying? So that worked out. That was a good setup here. So I was actually just anticipating this trend line here, and where I should have entered when we hit that zone, I actually wanted to enter here. You know, I was hopefully when I wake up in the morning, I would have been able to enter somewhere around here. And if I missed that, I could have entered under that trend line break, but I was sleeping. So by the time I woke up, the market was like right here. The market was here. So gold had already dropped about, I think, 100 pips. Yep, it dropped already like 100 pips. So I already missed that window to get into the trade. So now I'm thinking, I'm like, okay, so I need to find a pattern or something that can get me back into the trade. So I was like, okay, cool. So I drew up this small little this falling flag. Now normally I don't, like I said, that's why I said this is like a weird type of trading, that this is not what I normally do, but I wanted to make a video, so I was kind of just like, you know, kind of forcing the pattern. But you guys don't want to do that. Don't force the pattern. Luckily enough that this actually ended up forming into a good pattern here. So I took that pattern. It actually broke on the top there. So I was like, okay, so I can't get into the sell yet. So what's going to give me a good opportunity? Because you guys see the pattern formed really well on the 1 minute. So I was like, okay, so this is probably going to be a good trade. I was hoping the market will come back down to this side and I can start selling, but it didn't. It went and it broke over structure here. Now you guys are thinking like, hey, okay, so NTG, why you didn't get into the buy? Well, one reason why I didn't get into the buy, one, we're in this strong downtrend. Gold just dropped 100 pips. I'm not going to go against that trend. Two, we are still under my 100 SMA. So I'm still not buy bias until we get a pull up to cross that EMA. And then where's my favorites? There we go. A break of that, and then a retest of this EMA, and then it shows me that it wants to continue to the upside. That's when I'll start getting into a buy. But right now I'm still sell bias. So what I did was I used my super trend, and then I waited for my super trend to give me a signal to sell. As you guys can see here, it's like a buy, sell, buy. So all I did was just wait for that signal for a sell, and it was like right around somewhere here. Right there, boom. So when it gave me that signal to sell, this is when I got into my first two positions. I got in aggressive at point 20. I did not expect the market to retrace at all. Like, I only had $99 in the account, so I wanted to get in as aggressive as possible. So I got in aggressive, and as you guys can see, there was zero drawdown at all. Like, I didn't hit drawdown at all in this trade. So as soon as that super trend told me to sell, the market just dropped within 3 minutes, and I was already, I believe, like $200, $300 something in profit. So then the market kept dropping, and then now I'm just letting gold drop. Boom. Okay, perfect. So now I can manage the trade, and now I can start scaling in. So I'm waiting for my to scale in. I had a 1, 2, 3 engulfing here. So this was another entry for me. Boom. So I got into that entry. It was a 1, 2, 3 engulfing plus a break of this support zone. So that confirmed even more that I knew gold was going to keep dropping. So gold kept dropping here, and then this is where I went ahead and took profit here. So you guys know I draw my my Fibonacci from the lower high, and then boom, right there. So I had my profit zone here. There we go. I can't remember if I started taking small profits when I got down here or when I hit the zone. Sorry, hold on guys, I'm looking at the screen recording. Okay, yeah, so I let the market drop a little bit more, and I closed like 3 or 4 of my positions. But we're here. I'm not in these trades yet. This is when I got into the trade here. You guys see this engulfing, this 1 2 3 engulfing right here. That's when I got into the trade again. You guys know I like this pattern to keep scaling into the market. And then we got into this consolidation zone. So we had this resistance, and then we had this market of support. Boom. And then the market kept bouncing there. So I was like, okay, so if we break to the downside, I can scale in some more. If we break to the upside, I'm gonna get out the trade. So you guys can see here, boom, another engulfing pattern. I entered twice into that trade. Let me change this to blue so you guys know this is the take profit. So we dropped, and then as soon as we started getting into the zone, I waited for gold a little bit, and I was like, okay, let me just go ahead and take profit so that you guys can see. That's when I started taking profit. I didn't want to risk it, you know, taking the drop down here, because this is a weekly zone. This is a weekly zone here. So gold can bounce the market back up at any time. So, and then as you guys can see, boom, that's exactly where gold reversed. So guys, make sure you take your profit. That was another problem too. You guys DM me. You guys were 60, 100 pips and profit, and you didn't take it. Like, I mean, what are you guys expecting the market to give you? Like, you have a $200, $500 account. You're not gonna make 6 figures with that one trade. So take your profits. Like, if you have a small account and gold gives you $500 to $1,000, take that money. Are you crazy? Like, you guys gotta take your profit. I think that was like 40% of you guys did not know how to take your profit. You got too greedy and you tried to run gold dry, and it's not gonna happen. Don't do that. If you're in profit, man, take your profit. You guys got to learn how to take your profit. But I'm gonna get deeper into that in the trading psychology video, so you guys can so I can break that down a little bit more. But yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Very simple. I missed that trend line break, but I was able to draw this pattern, use my super trend. It triggered me for that sell, and then you guys already know the regular drill. I use my candlestick patterns for re-entries and all that good stuff. Set targets, take profit, easy flip, $99 to $2,000. So pretty simple. And should I show you guys? Yeah, I guess I'll show you guys my setup right now. So let me show you guys what I have set up right now for gold. So you guys already know we hit that that weekly support on this falling flag pattern here. So I am actually starting to get bullish. Okay, I'm gonna start switching gears soon, unless gold just continues to break this and then continue down, which I don't really see happening, because I mean, gold has been bullish for a long time. But you never know, it could keep pushing down, but I don't think so. But you guys already know we're gonna be ready either way, buy or sell, does not matter. So all right, so let's go to the 1 hour. You guys see I have this pattern here. All right, we got a touch here, we got one touch here, another touch here. So we got a confirmed pattern. So this is a solid pattern. If you guys want to copy this, go ahead. But this is the pattern I have right now, and I'm going to be trading within this pattern. I'm going to trade within the pattern, and then I'm going to trade the break of this pattern. But I do expect this pattern at this support to break here and then continue higher back to this 4 hour zone here. And I think it's about 300 pips. Yeah, 300 pips within this zone here. So a lot of pips that can be captured right there. All right, guys. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you guys give it a thumbs up for me, please. If you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe, man. Hey, join the NTG Academy. You know, you can be just like all my other students, making profit with, you know, simple price action trades. And then also I provide any strategies, and you can always DM me on Instagram, and I always respond to you guys. All right, guys. So I hope everyone stays in profit, man. It was your boy NTG, and I'll see you guys in the next video. I'm out. Peace.